Spatial AI has created a data set, really the first of its kind, called GeoSocial data. It's built from over 8 billion data points across 30 million users using the major social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. What they've done is taken a bottom-up approach based off of organic human behavior of what people are talking about, hashtagging, liking, running all of that data through an unstructured machine learning to build what they call taxonomies. So very similar to what folks are used to from typical psychographics today, where there's segments. They've created taxonomies based on that type of behavior. Yeah, so I would compare it to your typical demographics. Most organizations out there are familiar and use that in some form today. And a little teaser that I'll throw out there that we'll show in the webinar next week is you can have two locations or multiple locations that have the same or very similar demographics. You could have a site that has incomes between 100 and 150,000 with a majority of ages between 25 and 45 that are of this ethnicity or race. Just because you have those same type of people or demographics around those locations does not mean that those individuals are going to behave the same way. And that's what GeoSocial data really starts to uncover and allows an organization to better understand how consumers are actively behaving within a certain trade area. Yeah, so first we're going to cover who Spatial AI is. Leiden Faust, the CEO of Spatial AI, is co-hosting the webinar next week with me. So we'll review who they are, what GeoSocial data is, how they build that data, where it comes from, how it's different than some of the other data sets that exist out in the marketplace today, how it can be incorporated into SiteZeus. We'll actually run through a live demo of Spatial AI data inside of SiteZeus, inside a predictive model, and how that's going to impact and benefit you as an end user. And if you stick around till the end, we're going to have a live Q&A session with Leiden and myself, where we can review and answer any questions that may have popped up.